Greetings to everyone. Hello guys, my name is Yash Shelkar. First of all, thank you to Vishwakarma University and Professor Gauri Kulkarni for this opportunity. The name of the project is Java Networking, and the content of the project is Java Networking, and after we will see advantages of Java Networking, then after the Java Socket programming, then Java URL, then Java connection classes, and at the last we will see Java HTTP URL connection classes. So first of all, what is exactly is Java networking? So the Java networking is a concept of connecting two or more computing devices together so that we can share resources. Now we will see the advantages of Java networking. So the first advantage is sharing resources. In sharing resources, there is platform independence. Like Java allows seamless resource sharing across different operating systems, enables devices to exchange data and access resources. For example, like files, databases, over the network regardless of the underlying platform. And the second advantage of Java networking is centralized software management, centralized updates and controls. Java enables centralized management of software, allowing updates, configuration, and user access to be handled from a central server, simplifying maintenance and ensuring consistency across all the clients. Now we will see what exactly the Java socket programming is. Basically, Java socket programming is used for communication between application running on different JREs. And Java socket programming can be connection oriented or connectionless. Socket and server socket classes are used for connection oriented socket programming, and datagram socket and datagram packets classes are used for connectionless socket programming. The clients in socket programming must know two informations. What are the two informations? The first one is IP address of server, and the second one is port number. And this is the diagram for the socket programming, socket APIs. So we can see there are two blocks like client and server. So you can refer this diagram from Java T point if you want to know more about the Java socket programming. Now we will see to Java URL. What exactly the Java URL is? The Java URL class represents an URL. URL is an acronym for Uniform Resource Locator. It points to a resource on the World Wide Web. For example, we can see the website link here. The this link is for the Java Deployment website. First of all, there we can see HTTP is the protocol. Then after that, www.javapoint.com. That is the host name. After the file name, Java tutorials. Then after server name or IP address. In this case, the server name is HTTP www.javadeployment.com/Java tutorials. Then the port number, it is an optional attribute. If we write HTTP, the website name, then .com, .at. So 80 is the port number. If port number is not mentioned in the URL, it returns -1. Then after at the end, we will see file name or directory name. In this case, there is index.jsp in the file name. Move forward. Now we will see Java URL connection class. So what exactly is Java URL connection class? The Java URL connection class represents a communication link between the URL and the application. Basically, it represents the communication link between the URL and the application. It can be used to read and write data to be satisfied resource referred by the URL. Now we'll see what is the URL. URL is the abbreviation for Uniform Resource Locator. An URL is a form of string that helps to find a resource on the World Wide Web called www. Now URL has two components. The first one is the protocol required to access the resource, and the second component is the location of the resource. So basically, this is the last topic of this presentation called Java HTTP URL connection class. So let's see. Java HTTP URL connection class is HTTP specified like a URL connection. it works for HTTP protocol only. So basically it shows that it's only works for HTTP protocol. By the help of HTTP URL connection class, you can retrieve information of any HTTP URL such as header information, status code, response code, etc. The Java.NET.HTTP URL connection is a subclass of URL connection. So yeah, at the end, thank you to Karma University Pune, and also I want to thank you to Miss Gauri Kulkarni ma'am for giving this opportunity to us. Thank you everyone.